Hi guys, welcome back to Glitter Trail. Okay, for today's video, we are going to do an Ipsy unbagging, and I'm super excited. This actually took a lot longer than it usually does. It kind of got a delay because I think of the hurricane. But if you don't know what Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription, and you get 5 deluxe and sample size products, and for $10, if I didn't already say that. It's a really good deal, and let's get into it. I did already open this. I tried out the products yesterday. I wish that I would have went ahead and recorded, but I had to go to work, so I had to get done really quick. I just wanted to be able to tell you what I think of the products. Okay, so the bag comes like this, and if you can't see it, there is a masquerade mask. Pretty cute. I always like the Ipsy bags. Like, I have a ton of them. I mean, this one's probably not my favorite. Last year's, was it last year or the year before? One of them, it had like witches and stuff on it for Halloween. And this is cute. I'll probably pass it on to my daughter though. I'm still stuck on the black studded one. I don't remember what month we got it, but like, it's amazing. Okay, so I know you want to get into the video, but I went and grabbed this really quick. This was from a previous one. Look, dude, I don't even think you can really see it, but it's like studded, and it has a golden zipper. This is so cute. I love this one. I went ahead and grabbed this one too. It kind of looks like lace. Super cute. Anyway, we'll get back to this bag. The card for this month says, "Who said nights were for sleep?" And then the back, "We all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird, inexplicable things that in post 11-1 test drive." Okay, so I'm not gonna read the back because there's quite a bit of words on it. At the bottom it says, "Stay wild, Moonchild." That's cute. The first product that I see is by Nomad. It's in the color Stockholm. I've gotten a few products from Nomad. I'm pretty sure I got bronzer, highlight, blush type of deal. It was like a duo one, and it was pretty cute. So this color Stockholm is like, I don't know if you would call it a cobalt blue or a, no, not navy yet. It doesn't really look like navy. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for y'all because you didn't see my makeup look from yesterday. See how shimmering and stuff that is? I actually got, usually I don't wear blue eyeshadow, but this is like a high pigment, velvety eyeshadow with cosmic pearls for illuminated color and magnetic look, free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. But this is super cute, and yesterday I just did it really quick before I went to work, and I did like a light transition color, and then I went in with this, but then I needed another color to make it pop, so I put like black on the outside and smoked it out a lot. A little sample. I wonder if I could pop this out and maybe put it in a Z palette, because every time I get like these little bitty eyeshadow samples, I end up not really using them a whole lot. I do appreciate getting them though, try out new products, but that's what I need to get is the Z palette. Okay, so the next thing I was pretty excited about getting a MAC lip gloss, and the color of this is, I got the color Oh Baby, and I was a little bit worried because it's kind of brown, but since it's like a lip gloss, I love that. It's not like real dark or anything, but the only problem with this, because I thought it looked pretty, and I like shiny stuff, but this texture, like when I first put it on yesterday, it was very chunky, like when you rub your lips together, although it doesn't feel that way today, so I think it's pretty cute. I'm not mad. It came in this little package. Great brand, love it. To work, and I was gonna do it earlier, but I ended up going to Target, so I just wanted to hurry up and get ready and go. And this is Aphrodite, The Secret of Natural Beauty Olive Oil Face Mask, and I am not mad at this either. It's a deep cleansing face mask, and it has instant hydration with aloe vera, spirulina extract, and I like that it has a safety seal. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so I can let y'all know what I think of the consistency and if there's a smell. Okay, so yes. When I got out of the shower, I was gonna use this. It doesn't have any directions, so I don't know if it's like how long I'm supposed to leave it on. You can't see it. I smell it. Don't mind. I feel like I'm very shiny. And then Jim Bob over here popped up this morning. Man, my face cannot make up its mind what it wants to be. Whether it wants to be dry or oily. It just doesn't. It's like, the next thing I see is by Incredible. And it comes in this little pot thing. And it's an iridescent jelly glow. I used this yesterday too. It's kind of like a, can't even, let's see. Right there. It is cute. It's not like an everyday thing that I would wear. Cute though, nonetheless. I like it. Last thing, I did not use this either. It's a brush from SL Miss Glam. Look at those little diamonds on it. Oh my God, do you see it twinkling? This is the cutest little brush. It is quite like tiny, like for a brush, maybe travel size, but this is so...
What?
This is like a very soft brush. Can blend your color out, your transition shade, and come on. Even if it sucked, I'd still get it. It's very cute. Anyways, guys, that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the little bell notification. Let you know every time I upload. All right, see you next time.